Hello, how we doing today? Welcome to this new year. I have a question for you. I believe that, did you make your resolution, your new year resolution? Are some of them the same of the previous year and the year before and the year before and the year before and the year before? If that's the case, maybe that resolution is not that important. So for 2021, let's switch things up. Meaning, instead of saying, this year I'm going to do, this year I'm going to do, this year I want this year I want that, I want you to stop, pause, and think a little bit. What really matters to you? What's the intention behind what you want to achieve? Instead of saying, I want to lose weight. Why do you want to lose weight? Is it that important to you? Are you willing to do what it takes to do it? If the answer is like, yeah, I think so, maybe scratch it, because it doesn't really matter to you. So it's better to have less resolutions, but the ones that really matter to you. So for me, I wrote one of my resolutions and I will share them with you in the next video. Be healthy enough to live an active life. Healthy enough, because for me, healthy enough means I'm working out, I'm watching out my nutrition, I'm sleeping enough, I'm taking care of stretching, relaxation, and all these things. So for me, in that world, I have everything set up. And why do I want that? Because I want to have the energy to work, to travel, to be in the good mood too. So it is really important to me. Why does it matter to me to be healthy enough? Because I want to keep on working on myself. I want to keep on being more patient. I want to keep on being more resilient. And start with that. So that really, really, really matters to me. Understand what I mean? So look at your list or the resolution you have in your mind saying, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that. And really check out if the intention behind is really important. Is that intention linked to one of your values? Is that intention so strong that you're willing to make some sacrifice? Because let's be honest, you have to get something you never had, you have to do something you never did. Meaning you have to get out of your comfort zone. So what are you willing to do? Does it really matter? Will it add up really to your life? Or is it just it would be nice, it would happen, but it's not really that important. So think about it, work on it, and let me know. Have a great day.